Hello everyone. Welcome back to my SAP channel, SAP Artist. Please do like, share and subscribe the channel for more SAP videos. So today's topic is SAP BAPI. So today I'll be going through the process and will be showing example of it. So today I'll be talking about BAPI. So why I've taken this topic is we functional consultant are working in different types of projects and we require to create custom programs. Like, in every business, if you go, every business has its own requirements, which doesn't fit in standard SAP. So we need to create custom programs, reports, everything. So sometimes example, they want, in today's example also, I'll be, taking an example like, they business has a requirement. They want to post multiple expenses for a vendor. Okay. And since they want to post lot of multiple expenses for multiple vendors, so they want to create one upload program where the document gets posted, okay, in upload. So for this you require to create a custom program. Okay, so how will you do it? Okay, so before we start, I'll be going through the what is BAPI. Okay, see, SAP BAPI. BAPI is business application programming interface. Okay, this is a full form. In SAP, BAPI is used as a functional module. Okay, BAPI is provided by SAP so that we can use it for different purposes as required. Okay, as per different business purposes, like whatever is the requirement you need to create, you can use. There are a lot of BAPIs. Okay, so BAPI can be used for different purposes like integration with third party interfaces, custom T code for document posting, etc. The BAPI used for testing today is SAP is BAPI account document post. So this is how normally the BAPI works. See, in this slide, if you see, what I'm trying to show is SAP BAPI third-party software. Normally, what happens whenever you are using any kind of you want to create any kind of custom program, where there will be third-party software, reports, posting, document, etc. Okay. See, basically you can use BAPI. Okay. See, BAPI in the sense that if you are posting to third-party software, you can use this BAPI account document push, which I've used. Any posting is required for posting documents. So BAPI is something, there are lots of BAPIs in system. In system as SAP has given us, okay, which you can use as per your requirement. Now, example reports also, there are certain BAPIs used. If you want to get certain data, you can use certain function modules, certain BAPIs, to get some data out of SAP that way. And it is like a functional modules. So I'll show you how does the BAPI works. Okay. So now we'll go into SAP and see how it works. Okay. See, before we start with function model which I'm going to use for testing, I'll just show you there is one T code called BAPI. Hmm. Oh, it is taking time. So this is the T code BAPI. For example, we'll go into financial accounting, company code, okay. Click on this. Now, which I was talking about, general ledger. Now, if you click on this, see, this is the BAPI you'll get, okay. BAPI GL account detail, okay. So these are all different kind of BAPIs which you can use as per your requirements, okay. So like click on this, get document item, get GL account balances, current balances. There are multiple of BAPIs which SAP has given us, okay. If you want to use anything like for get balance item, current balance for AP, AR, Everything is there. Customer, whichever you feel like. Now, example, in asset accounting, if you want to post anything, check. See, asset post capital. If you want to post asset post capital, if you want to use for fixed assets, get fixed asset detail. One that actually asset acquisition. See, normally if you want to use for this acquisition post check. So there are multiple of BAPIs given by SAP. So as per your requirement, you can use it. Whichever. Now company code level also is there. Okay. Go to company code detail, get period. So these are small, like these are BAPIs, which normally you can use as per your requirement, whichever you want to use. Now, see, there are multiple here also. Lot of BAPIs are there, whichever you want, you can use. Invoices you post. So this is everything depends upon your, requirement. Whichever you want, you can use it actually. See, ours is here. Accounting document we got here. BAPI account document post. This one is yours, accounting interface. So we are going to use this today. So this is just an, if you want to explore, you can explore it, okay? Whichever you want. You can use this BAPI. Now see example, now you copy this BAPI now, okay? Now you go to SC37, okay? This is the initial, what I show you, SC37. You go here, you put this, copy paste BAPI, okay, and execute. So when you execute, okay, this is the screen of a BAPI, okay. So if you can see here, there are a lot of options that this is document header. So normally when you post a transaction, there are two things, header and line items, okay. So this is the header and this is the line item value which all you want to fill, okay. Now see, GL is there, receivable, payable, tax, currency amount, criteria, value, there are n number of things, okay. So as per your requirement, you can use this, okay. So now let's assume I'm going to use this and to create this transaction, okay, in a form of BAPI. Okay. In BAPI, I'm going to I'm going to post this transaction, okay. So as per our, what we say example, which I told was, see, to post expense to vendor. Okay, this is what I want to post. Okay. But let's assume they have multiple expenses, multiple vendors. Okay. So they want to upload, don't want to post single entry. That is the reason you're creating a Z program. Normally we call it as a Z program, any custom program which is Z program. Okay. So Z T code, you can say. Example, they have given Z upload. Okay, like that. So they will upload the Excel file here and the document gets posted. So it depends. Okay. So now here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to fill this data and show you how is required. Okay. So now since today, now we are going to post about GL to vendor. Okay. So first I'll go to document header. Okay. See, this is normally all the fields which is required as per your required. Okay. So now we can drag it and fill it also. Okay. Otherwise, there is an option here. See, single entry. Click on this. So you'll get the same data which is here in this. So you don't need to scroll right on the right hand side. Okay, to fill any data. Just click on this. Okay. So now example, whatever is required, these all things are not required. Just fill the username. Okay. So this is my username. Edit text, let's assume BAPI testing. Okay. I'm just giving any random thing. Company code is my 0. Document date, today's date. Okay. Fiscal year. Okay. document type KR. Okay. Now this you want to give, you can give 1 4 anything 145. Let's assume. Okay. Document number you want to give, anything you require to fill. That's it. Click on OK. Okay. Now come back. So this data is stored here. This is the header layer information which you have filled. Okay. Now the next step is going to be your GL. Okay. The example which you have taken is expense to vendor. Okay. So we'll go in a GL. Okay. I'll put here too. So I'll explain you everything. How does it work? Okay. Now I'll put the GL. We'll take this GL only. Okay. I'll explain you. Let me just post the entry. What is item number 2? Why I am putting this? Okay. Wages. Wages paid for repairs. Okay. Now, if you want, you can click here and check what is required. Okay. Now, what is required? You put your company code. Okay. Now, anything reference key, business area. Nothing is required. A plant, if you want, you can put 1000. Allocation number, if you want. Cost center. Okay. Cost center. Okay. Profit center. Okay. Now, see, let me see. Percentage. Okay. Okay. Now, anything else? Not required. Okay. Here. Okay. Item number 2. GL item. Okay. Since it is single entry, single item. Okay. Now, receivable payable is there. So, since we are doing it for vendor, so payable. Okay. Then click on payable. Okay. One. Vendor number is this. Okay. Okay. Now, here also same thing. Put this company code. And business area payment and let's put it today. Okay. Oh, sorry, 3. And okay. This is text which is required. Anything else if you want, you can fill. Otherwise, okay. Okay. So what you have filled. Okay. This is why I'm selecting one time. You can fill all the data. Come back. Okay. Now, if you see here, we haven't entered anything amount. Okay. Here, if you see, we haven't entered any amount. So how will the system get the amount, right? We have entered all the information. Okay. Debit credit is also not here. Okay. Same goes for here. Okay. Now what will we do? Now here also one more thing is there. See, if you have entered vendor account, there is GL account. This is for reconciliation, but we don't need to put it if you want because automatically system will take it. Okay. Here. And see, tax is there, currency is there. Now click on currency. Okay. Click on this insert line. If you want to insert, delete, you can use this. Okay. Click on this. Okay. So click on one. Okay. Currency is INR. INR is 200. Okay. Minus INR. INR 200. Okay. The same here only. Okay. Currency none. Okay. So now come back. Okay. And now we'll click on execute. Okay. The rest, if you want, you can use it, as per your requirements. I'm doing it in a basic way to make you understand better. Execute. See, when you execute, okay, if you don't get any number out here, it means there is some error. So let's see what is there. Return. 2024 is not allowed. Okay. It says. Come back. Come back. 1 minute. Else there might be okay date issue maybe. Okay. We'll just check the dates. Same goes for GL entries also. I have used any dates out here. Date also. Okay, correct. I will try to execute again. See. So now you see this is the number. Okay. 400002. Okay. So this is the company code. This is so you have to capture till here only. Okay. This is the number. Okay. 21. Okay. Let's just keep this. Okay. So now this has not been posted. Okay. Okay. So this has not been yet posted. Okay. This is showing you the document has been posted. So now if you see, as I told you earlier also, if you go to this return, you should go here, return, click on this, you will get like this message, document posted successfully. This is the document number which has been generated. Okay. So now, since we did a mistake, in the header, we didn't put the correctly the date. So we got a error message. You saw that, right? Posting not allowed. So you'll get the error message there also. Okay. And if your document has been posted successfully, you'll get the number here also. But for confirmation, you can just click here. So you'll get correctly what is the message, document posted successfully or not. Okay. So it has been posted successfully. So now what will we do? Okay. We'll save this. Okay. We'll write here API document post. Okay. 3. Okay. Sorry, you can save here also 1 minute. BAPI document post 4. Okay. Copy it. So now we have saved this. So the main purpose, I'll explain you. Okay. Now I'll explain you in detail. Okay. See document. Now we have, this is the header level which we are posting here. Okay. Document number will generate, company code, your posting date, everything we have entered fiscal year. Okay. And this KR which you have entered, document header text which you have entered, everything. Okay. This is T code. Okay. The document header text. Now this is a line item. Okay. So line item is this part, account GL, which I'm talking. Now see, we have entered here line item 2. So this line item 2 means this. Okay. So you need to tell the system this line item 2. Okay. So the system can capture it properly. This is the GL account. So why I have kept this open is this for the reason to make you understand. Okay. This is the GL account here. Item text, which I have entered. Okay. And what I have entered now, plant, company code, cost center, you'll get it like this. Cost center, plant, company code. Okay. Business area will come automatically as per cost center. Okay. Now we'll go to table. See, item number 1 is your vendor. That is the reason I've given you item number 1 vendor number. Okay. Okay. Then if you go to general ledger view here, you'll get the recon account. Okay. I'll show you. I'll post this transaction. This is just a sample to make you understand. It's company code. Company code text, which is here. Oh. Now I go back again and show you the amount. See, in both the items, there are amounts. Okay. 200, 200. Okay. Now, line item 1 is 200 credit. Okay, this is the credit entry. So that is the reason I've given you a minus sign. Okay. And here, second is debit. That is the reason no minus sign. So, if you see, the main reason for giving minus sign is here, the system understands that I have to take it as a credit. If you see, there are no posting keys here. 40, 50 is not there. System automatically detects it by the signs. Okay, if I've given a minus sign, it will take it as a credit, line item 1. and it will match here amount. See, 1 is here, so payable is 1. So it no vendor has to be credited. Okay. Now GL is 2. So here it knows vendor has to be debited. System will come to know in this way. Okay, you are giving here identification number for which vendor item number I have to do credit and for which item number I have to do debit. Okay, this way you're giving identification. Now we'll go back. There is a transaction called BAPI transaction commit. Okay, through this transaction only we can post the entry in the table. Now see, if you see 69, please check. Okay, so which we saw the number 4004567 8. Okay, see, this is not here now. Execute, not there, no values found. Okay, why? Because the data has not been posted. Okay, so why we are using this transaction is, why we are using this what we say transaction commit is to post the document in the system at the table level. So why we are doing it? So that we know that the BAPI which we are using for the custom T code, the data is getting properly posted in our tables also. Because once it gets posted, tomorrow if you want to get any data or any error or find out anything, get a report also, you have to extract it from a table, right? So it has to post into your tables properly. Click on test sequence. Now this is your BAPI account document post, and you select this one, commit, execute. Okay. So now here you will select, this is your BAPI account document test directory 4. Okay. So automatically all the data has come. Okay. You click on execute, it will get executed 40022. Okay. Remember. Now back. Now click on wait X and execute. See, this is the transaction complete. Now the entry has been posted in the table. Okay. So now if you see, now 1 minute ago, 21 is not the 21. Now if you see, it is there in the table. If you see, now I'll take this document, show you in FB03 also. See what we have decided. Okay. Profit center posted, wages. Now if you click on this line item, wages paid for repair, this is the text which you have entered. Okay, your cost center is here, business area. If you see plant, business area, cost center plant is also there, which you have used 200 rupees. Okay. Now if you go on the first line item, see baseline date 200. Okay. Document has been posted. See credit. So it comes to know that I have to take credit for the vendor. Okay. Through this minus sign. Okay. Click on general ledger view. You will get that this is the reconciliation account. Okay. So we don't need to enter over there the GL account. We just need to enter the vendor as I told earlier. Copy. Select here. See here. Wages repaired for paid for repairs. Okay. And wages paid. Okay. This is paid for repair. Here it is. Okay. And whatever you have entered, it is coming. Okay. Now if I go back, wages paid for repair. Okay. So paid for repair. See wages paid. Okay. Oh, sorry. So this is how we will get the details. Item number 1. Here wages paid is there. Okay. Now you can see line item 1, 2 is here also same thing. 2 wages, 200, see 2. And amount is the 200 normal. That's the reason debit. And see automatically posting key system has taken it. We have not entered anywhere posting key. Now 200 minus. You can see here also. Currency amount. Okay. 200 minus first line item. minus first the system has taken credit. So this item number 1 tells you that for vendor I need to take it credit. This item number will. Okay, system will identify on the basis of this item number. Okay. So now we have posted the document successfully. So in this way, and header level data also I'll show you. Okay, not this one. This one is the, I'll close this. See, at the header level KR, BAPI testing I have written. SE37 is the T code through which it has been posted. Date, posting date, document date, INR, reference C145. You'll see this also. See here. Created by, then document date, posting date 3/4/2024, KR 145. See, same whatever we have written, it is here. Header level. So in this way, you can use BAPI. Okay, I recommend most of the people to use BAPI instead of BDC. Okay, if there is no BAPI, so you have to use BDC. But if there is, so use BAPI because it will help you to post the transaction very clearly and it won't create much problems in your program which you develop. Okay, so you can use BAPI, whichever BAPI is required. I've shown you the T code also. Just you can explore this T code and check whichever is required for you. Then after once you know which BAPI you can use, I've used today BAPI account document post for posting. Now in that example, if you want to use, if you're creating any upload program, if anyone is using, they can go for this BAPI account document post and they can, by this video, they can try and create one BAPI and use it in their upload tool, the program to create it actually. Because in this way they can use it. So thank you everyone for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe for more SAP videos. Thank you.